Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at the newest update on VeryChat Airdrop. If you are mining this project, you need to take it extremely serious. And if you have not started, locate the link in the video description. This project might cook. So we are going to look at latest updates, how to create your wallet, your node wallet, so that when you start any node, you will store it in your wallet. So right here, before we start, I'm going to start my harvest. I'm going to take my harvest. You click on this harvest vary. Once you tap on harvest vary, they now say start. Now plant vary. I'm going to click on plant vary. So I have started mining and I'm going to harvest the next one in 11 hours. So this is how you harvest. And if you have not started, once you click on the link in the video description, download the app. For you to receive 100 Veri, you come back here, you click on this envelope that said 100 Veri. Once you tap on the envelope, you are going to see something like this. So you are going to now paste my referral link, my referral code, which is stargirl78. Look at it, this is my referral link. I'm going to attach it in the video description. Stargirl98. You are going to receive 100 Veri. And if you want to share your referral code to your friends and family, you click on this give 100 Veri. Let's tap on this give 100 Veri. Now you are going to see your referral link stroke your referral code. So you copy it and share with your friends and families. So that is by the way. Now that you have started mining, another thing you need to know is that you have to make use of this here. Anyone you choose here will affect the remaining. If you choose the lucky boss, it will affect these two. So whichever one that is okay by you, you click on. Let's assume I click on the lucky drop. I'll click on just open. I'm going to open one. Okay, let's see what I will be getting. One Veri, congratulations. Now you click on get it. Click on get it now. Can you see it has added to your Veri and it has affected this? It's now remain the countdown until another one. This is how you accumulate more points or more Veri. So do that. Now another thing to do is to go back to the home section here. Once you go to the home section, you have to be on the daily attendance, that daily check-in. I already checked in. I missed yesterday, so I started afresh. So I have checked in. Once you check in, you are going to receive 1 credit, 2 credit, 3, 5 credits for day 3, 5 credits for day 4. The more you are on a daily check-in, the higher your rewards. Sometimes you receive 1 cookie, you receive 2 cookies, and thereabout. So make sure you're on a daily check-in to earn more cookies. Now going back here, you can now see that you have another thing here, which is to count 1,000 steps. You click on it. Now today's step I have is just 23. I've been walking around, but I'm not been with my phone. So I just have 23. This is my step for the day. Every 24 hours, it will reset. It's not resetting that you are going to lose it. No, it will restore in your app. So you are still going to use it. So the higher, if you are always with your phone, walking around, going to all those things and that. So your steps, once you be able to reach 1,000 steps, you are going to claim the reward. If you reach 2,000, you claim it. If you reach 3,000, you claim it. So the higher your step, the higher your reward. That is for the steps. Now, how do you create your node wallet? To create your node wallet, you click on this state wallet. And at this point, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and share. Also join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel for high value updates. So here you can see how you send coins without complicated seed phrase. Now you have to click on create Very wallet in 5 seconds. Click on it. Now you need to set your pin. You need to set your pin so that you can continue. I'm going to set my pin now. Re-enter your pin. Look at what they said here. If you security notice, if you lose your pin, you will permanently lose access to your wallet. So please make sure to remember it. Just go to your notepad or your notebook and write down your pin. Now this is your email. Now the secondary email, you have to back up your email. This is for secondary. Now you click on this, I agree to the collection of email. Click on it. So once you click on it, look at what they said. Please enter your secondary email. So it is advisable you enter your secondary email. So let me enter my secondary email. Right. So after entering your secondary email, you click on create wallet. Now they said backup complete. Pin hit has been sent to your email. Now I have received an email now. That's the pin hint according to them. So I'm going to receive it. Now you go to your wallet. Okay, now you have to log in again using your pin. So this is it. I have now created my email, my wallet, sorry, and you can see my ID here showing my referral code stargear98. At this point, you can receive and you can send very token, and you can see that it is also they also implemented USDT, that is under Binance Smart Chain. So go and set up your wallet. Once you have enough very and you are also holding a note holders, you can store it in your wallet. So it's very, very easy to store. Look, if you click here, you can scan, you can shop using your wallet. Now let's go back to the main point. Now another way is you can chat. Going to the chat, okay, it's loading and you don't know why it's wasting time. You can send messages to earn more value. The more you communicate in their chat channels, the more value you also accumulate. So that is it. Go and set up your wallet and be on a daily check-in. Link in the video description. Thank you guys and see you guys in my next video.